they give you the dice lamb, which is like, probably if you try and cook that now, it could be very chewy. So that's why they dice it up. They use not the bag cuts, but they use the cuts of the beast that actually work the muscles, so it's going to be chewy, right? So they will give you the lesser quality meat, okay? So that's why we have to braise it. And we braise it. So we cook it in a really delicious braising liquid, and then essentially what this does, see it's got like, it'll be very chewy. If I just cook that now and ate it, it'll be chewy. So we're going to braise this, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to make all of the braising liquid, so this will start to go really tough, and then it'll just give way, and it'll just loosen up, and it'll start falling apart. You don't want it to fall apart. You want it to still hold its shape, but you want it to be just beautiful. So that's where we've got to, you can do this with, and it's really cheap, really cheap cut of meat, okay? So awesome, if you can do this, if you can make a basic stew, you could do it for the rest of your life, you know, and you can make it, and it's going to be awesome. You can give it to your family, okay? So if you pay attention to this one, it's very worthwhile. So what we do, we're going to put it all in here, okay? They're all different sizes, but that's all right. I don't mind. It doesn't have to be exactly the same size.
Do we wash them?
No. There's flavour. If you wash, you can get rid of the flavour as well. You don't need to wash it though. Okay, so we're going to dust that with a little bit of flour and a little bit of seasoned flour, right? So salt and pepper. Behind you, watch out, those pots are very hot. Okay, so these are both on, I believe.
I use it all, Chef.
Okay. Yeah, so be careful.
James, I use
It's
it
heating
all.
right up.
I
Yeah?
use it all.
Yeah, we've got two, yeah?
You want one more?
I've got another whole packet. Yeah, use it all.
Oh, right.
So get me some
One packet,
flour,
one away.
some plain flour, please. And some salt and pepper, please.
And oregano, please.
We got oregano.
And something else, please.
We can use some of these herbs, yeah?
No?
We can put some herbs in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Flour, okay? So, what we want to do, yeah, that's it, salt. We want to get it in the flour and then seal it off. So I need olive oil. I've got olive oil. Any up here? If not, go downstairs. Quick.
Yeah, it's good after mix now.
Any here? Oh, there is olive oil, yeah. Okay, so get some olive oil in a jug for me, please.
Very nice smell.
So pump this with flavour, right? Heaps of flavour. So you want...
Can you add a little bit of oregano also? Yeah.
You have to have your oregano.
That's because the steam is the oregano is very good.
Yeah.
And you want I use it with lemon juice?
You want it not dry?
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it.